Hello friends, namaste and welcome. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss how you can score 90 out of 90 in tier 2 exam in quant section. See, this is very important, and I can say that, see, nothing is impossible. Although it seems impossible to score 90 out of 90 for many students, right? So there are very few students who can say that, yes, I have confidence I can score 90 out of 90. But many are just going to refuse it. They are saying that maths is very tough, quant is very tough. How we can solve 30 questions, right, and can score 90 out of 90 in this section, right? So first of all, I would love to say that, my dear friends, this task is not impossible, right? And or we can say that nothing is impossible in this world. Even the word itself says I am possible, right? So just you have to search the ways, or I can say that there are better ways to do the things, right? To do the complex things. What you need to do? You need to just find out those ways, those techniques, those approaches, through that you can make the complex areas easy, right? So these are the points which you have to focus, you have to ponder upon, right? So how you can score 90 out of 90 in quant section. So today we are going to have a chit chat on this topic, right? So the first point is, if you want to score 90 out of 90 in quant section, so the first point is you have to complete your syllabus, right? Complete, revise, or we can say that you must have good command over the complete syllabus, right? So you must have 100% grip over complete syllabus, right? Nothing must be left out, right? Each and everything, whether it is advanced, right, whether it is arithmetic, right, you must have complete understanding, concept wise, type wise, each and everything, right? So for this you must take some sectional test, right? Sectional test which are based chapter wise, right? Chapter wise, or we can say topic wise. If the chapter is big, so we can say topic wise, right? So you can practice, right? So after focusing or taking sectional test or chapter wise or topic test, you can identify your weak areas and strong areas, right? So what you need to do, you have to find out your weak areas and your strong part, right? Strong area. So you will identify your weak portion and strong portion, right? So it doesn't mean if you have some strong area, so you are not going to look at this and you are going to ignore that. I know this, I can do it easily. No. If you have a strong area, just give practice, right? Give practice for it. Give practice for it. Give enough practice for the strong area so that it can become more stronger to you, right? And now for weak areas, give more practice, right? More practice. More practice. How you can practice more? So you have to focus on the basic concept, right? Study the basic concept once, twice, thrice, 4 times, as much as time you can. Just focus on the weak areas and now practice again for the, take the basic concept class for the weak areas, then practice and take sectional tests and topic tests for weak areas, so that it can be converted from weak areas to strong area, right? So this is the only way. This is the only way. There is no boogli gutti in this, right? So anyhow, you have to convert your weak areas into strong area. Once you are done with this, right, So next portion is practice, right? Next portion and next strategy, practice, right? Practice for what? Practice for mock test, right? Practice for mock test. Here now you have 100% grip over the concept. You have 100% grip over the concept. Now what you have to do? You have to gain command over two aspects. One is speed, and one is accuracy. Another one is accuracy, right? So how you can obtain speed, right? So more and more taking mock tests, right? More and more practice will provide you the speed, right? And how you can have accuracy? So you have to focus on some aspect, right? So you can maintain, right? If you want to have good accuracy, you have to focus on calculation aspect, right? Or we can say for both speed and accuracy. So you have to focus on 2 or 3 points. One is calculation aspect, right? Calculation point, right? So you must have good grip over the calculation. You must know some Vedic mathematics and tools and techniques of how to calculate the digits, or how to calculate the questions calculation, how you can do the calculation fast, right? Second is you must know some smart, or we can say logical approach, right? Or we can say you must be aware about the each and every exam approach, right? Exam oriented approach, right? Exam oriented approach. It can be by option, go by choice, like go by choice. Just seeing the choice, just seeing the option and reading the information, you can mark the answer, right? So you must be aware of all these three, right? You must be strong at calculation part, you must be have some logical and smart approaches, and you must have some exam oriented approach, right? And you must have enough, we can say rationally, to identify each question in three categories. One is easy, right? Whether the question is moderate, and whether the question is tough, right? So you must have command on all these three, right? And you must be able to do the easy questions with ease, moderate questions with ease, as well as tough question with ease, right? You must not be hesitant to take the tough question, right? So this will come only and only through practice, right? With practice you can do each and everything, right? Without practice nothing is possible. So you have to give the practice. If you find anything weak, right, so just focus on that and practice on that weak areas regularly, so that you can make it strong, or you can convert it from the improving ground to the strong part, right? So this is the only way, on through this you can achieve your target, right? So there is nothing mugli gutti like. So I can say that do this and you will score 90 by 90. See, and you must remove this idea you have to score 90, because this is again a pressure on a student's mind, right? You must be in free mode, right? Just attempt the questions open-mindedly, and you have strong confidence. Yes, everything is clear to you, and I have covered each and every section in detail. I have also studied or learned the curated questions, right? So that you can achieve 90 out of 90. 90 out of 90 is not a big task. What you need to do? You need to just give more and more practice. The more practice you give, or the more practice you take, the more confidence you will have, right? So, and if you want to have a systematic batch for this, so this is my suggestion. Just go to the oliveboard website, right? So after going to oliveboard website, you will get this kind of interface, right? So just roll it down. In the third or fourth row, you will get English medium courses, right? if you are targeting for tier 2 exam, right, only tier 2 exam, so we have score booster MCQs batch, and this is going to be start from today only, right? This is totally in English medium. So after clicking this, you will get this type of icon, right? See, so this is the batch, score booster MCQs course SSC CGL 2 targeting. It is going to be start today, so it has already started, right? So in this you will get 90 plus live session, practice session, unlimited doubt clearing. That is the important part, right? So this is the high time, and in this time you need a mentor who can clear your doubt within time, right, without any delay, right? So this is very important part. You can get unlimited doubt clearing session, right? So, and 100 plus tests, 100 typing tests and PDF notes, each and everything. You also might having your notes, just focus on that, and this is all from my side, right? So just stay cool, calm and composed, right? Just give more and more practice, revise the complete syllabus thoroughly. So this is the only funda to get success. Last but not least, make consistency and on daily basis practice and revise your concepts, right? So this is all for today. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind.